guys, I am new here in YouTube. Hope you enjoy this video. Today I'm playing Wolf Tales. And today I'm gonna show you everything I have. Wait for a moment, okay? It's gonna be pretty. You know it. This is, look, this is what I have. I have some wolves, some foxes, a bear, a tiger, and a dragon. I have all of those, and I hope you love. And also, and also, if you guys know, I got a secret. I got a secret too. But I'm not telling you guys until I make the next video. It's a secret that the people who is watching this that had wings is the only one who can know this secret. Or maybe, I don't know. I will tell you all my friends. Meet Neo, my buddy. Though we don't know each other, but we are friends. And we don't talk about that. And also, we don't talk about her now. I don't talk about her. It's just a long story that us meeting. And this is cute Rainbow. She doesn't come for many days to play with Tales, but she's still. But she played with me today. Yeah, she played with Tail with me today. And okay, now I'm meeting. Now I'm just going to join. Dang it! Whatever I know. Okay. Don't worry. I'm just going to tell her to join me, that's all. Can you join me? Question mark? Because we have a question mark. Okay, can you join me? Buddy, you need to answer. And also we can, and also we can use this map if we do wanna. Yeah, if we don't wanna. Yeah, and I cannot do that because I'm filming now. That's a shame. And I'm gonna show you a secret that the ones who have wings might be so obsessed. If you're playing this game called Wolf Tales Home, if you guys don't have it, then download it now. Wolf Tales Home. I need to go now. And this is the app I've been using to record. And now I need to go.